Here we are having a Midnight Science Club meeting with three of the handsomest wits. Are they here? Oh, well, you guys are the ones. All right, never mind. Now, here we are at Faraday Studios, and occasionally we have book reports. I'm going to lay something up there.
What in the world is this?
It looks like some type of bookmark I would use to mark where I left
Yeah,
it.
looks like a brass bookmark.
A brass bookmark.
Yeah, looks like what it is because it could definitely be a bookmark.
Have you ever seen one of those before?
I have.
Some
I think the ones I
similar
mostly
to
seen were made of like silver metallic of some sorts.
What does it say right here on the can?
Book darts.
Book darts. Look at my book. I was reading a book the other day.
The Anatomy of the Honeybee.
The Anatomy of Honeybees. Very good reading. And I found a few spots that I thought would be worth marking. So I put a book dart, and I can put it on the line. See, I can put the little pointer. I've read through here, and there was a couple of things, that I found interesting and I thought would be worth marking. And one was, in particular, was on the stinger. Did you know that the stinger on a bee has little barbs? You see the little barbs right there? The sac that poison's in, that they sting you with, is made out of two different chemicals. They got one that's an acid and another one that's a base. And those two have to be mixed together right before they squirt out. So the bee has to kind of pull those chemicals out and mix them. I didn't know that. I just thought that was so interesting. So much for book darts. Would you set that over there? So you borrowed one of my books. What did you read this last week?
Merits and viability of different nuclear fuel cycles and technology options and the waste aspects of advanced nuclear reactors.
That's what I'm saying. Is it a coloring book?
No.
I read this and I was amazed to learn that there's either 39 or 68, I can't remember which one, nuclear reactors in the United States. I like nuclear fuel as long as it's far away. I wouldn't want a reactor in my backyard, would you?
Nope.
If it gives off a radioactive
Leaks.
waste, then
Leaking a little bit. Yeah. I got one more thing to get started. Now I'll pass this thing around. I'll hold it up here. This is a little oddity. So what do you say it is?
I say it basically is the top of that, but it's a very old
A
top
very old top.
that you cut off a soda can.
A can of soda is like an old
Really
one.
old one, yeah.
So you think it's the top of a soda can? Yeah. Matter of fact, this came from a can of soda right here. I just want you to think, how did I get it from here to here? All right, we'll start over here at the left side. Mr. Nuclear Fuel, what do you think?
I think you melted it off the top with a flame and then used some sort of hydraulic arm to make it into that pyramid-ish shape.
I believe he's right about the flame, but then I think you used like some kind of like acid or something because I see like rust marks.
it's like you sliced it off in like one,
sliced
like
it off.
one little swoosh. It's not like you cut it with scissors.
Like with a
and something
lightsaber?
Yeah, kind of
Laser.
lightsaber, I guess, in a way.
You think acid? What did you say?
I think you froze it.
You think I froze it? Yeah, we froze it. Yeah, it froze, and the water expanded when it froze in here, and it just pushed that. But it turned, it's neat, it turned that darn thing inside out, or what can I say? We find joy in the sweetest things, don't we, right here at Faraday Studio? I guess something you can try at home. Probably get in trouble. All right, very good. So you were thinking like a scientist there for a while, right? Very simple stuff. Nuclear reactors, exploding soda cans. You were thinking like a scientist.